Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SLP update for Sunday 15th of May. All right, so the story continues on. We are making a little bit of a relief, small relief are coming up here and there. But the thing is that we are still not looking good, okay? We are still not looking good. I do not think SLP has resolved itself just yet from the dumps that is about to happen because it is far away from over. Nothing else. I mean, you still have the technical targets pending, okay? And you do know I've told you so many times on the channel that it's always a wavy journey, okay? So once again, a refresher. Let me just tell you, when you go up, you go like this in waveform, right? And when you go down like this in waveform as well. So this is expected. The things that you see when you're going down, so many people tell me in the comment that, uh, for example, 2, 3, 4, 5 days ago, I predicted this price right over here, 1.618, when we were up here at the 87, right? So when I told them that this technical target is going to be met, they think that, oh no, but SLP came here and then start to pump to the upside. They consider this thing a pump. Well, what you don't understand is that it's a downtrend, okay? You see, when something pumps, you have to zoom out to understand why. It might be that you went down. Yes, make a pump, but it's actually a downtrend. You see, downtrends does have pump in betweens, but it doesn't mean that you're not coming down here. It actually does mean you're coming down here. The same story goes even when I was talking about the reversal wave when we were up somewhere here at this point right over there, and I was talking about that 0.618 is this level right over there, and people didn't believe me back then. Yes, and look how we were going. Let me just give you a small example on a small time frame how a downtrend looks like. So if we talk about that downtrend, if I do remove the fibs and everything, let me actually clear the drawing. This is how you do it, okay? You go to the downside, go to the up, go to the downside, go to the up, go to down, up, down, up, and then finally we met the technical target, okay? And I was giving this call right over here when we lost the trend line. This was the trend line that was lost. Do you see that? That was the trend line lost, and I was giving the call right over here somewhere that this is going to come down here, and yes, we were going down and up and down and up, and then boom, all the way to the downside. So the same thing applies when I'm talking about this particular target right over there. Yes, you are coming down, make a pull to the upside, and then you come down, potentially make another pull, and who knows, you can start to hold this level. The question is, when you do come down here, you hold that level to go to the upside, or you might lose it close below it, and then you continue with the downtrend, and the next technical targets are down here on the fib retracements as well. So it is what it is. I'm still waiting for that technical target before we talk about the next move that potentially we're going to have to match the moves with Bitcoin as well. So that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.